Let's look at how to make a halftone. You can do this with any shape. First, I'm going to select the Polygon tool in this case. And by holding Shift and clicking and holding, you can hit your up arrow key to increase the number of sides, or your down arrow key to decrease. Let's do a hexagon. I'm going to do Shift X and X to toggle and / to remove the stroke. Let's move this with the center point in the corner. If you're using your guides under View, Smart Guides, you'll see it highlight when you've centered it. Holding Option, I'm going to click and drag this up, scale it down a bit. Now I'm going to Option, click and drag so I can center this last one. And decrease the size while holding Shift. I'm going to align this one with my board. Go to Align to Artboard, center vertically. Okay, now I'm going to blend these. I'm going to hit W for the blend tool, select each of my shapes, and you can double click on the blend tool to select. And you can adjust this to fit your needs. Okay, let's do an expand on this. Object, expand appearance. I'm going to duplicate it by holding down Option, Shift. I'm going to expand both again. Now select your blend tool again. Select both objects. And I'm going to do a copy, Command C on PC, Control C, Command F to paste in place, or Control F, and go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform. If we turn on Preview, we can adjust and offset this. And if we want this to be cropped as a square, we can create a rectangle with M on the keyboard or your rectangle tool. And select both objects and hit Command 7 to create a clipping mask. If you like this video, please be sure to like it and subscribe. Thanks for watching.